Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to design and make a t-shirt for boys. So at first I'll be sketching it. So this way I'm designing it, just creating a design, then I'll make it. I'm using two fabrics. One is check one and this is the white one. And here I'm cutting the neck and cutting the front portion, the half front portion, and the other half will be the white one. This is the white one and I'm attaching both the fabrics. This is going to be the look. Now I'll stitch it. Here I'm gonna stitch with the help of a machine. Okay, it is attached. The front is done. Now the neckline portion. And I'm going to attach a pocket as well. Okay, this is the pocket, and now let me make it in a position. Now stitch it. Okay, now it's done. Here it is, the pocket and the t-shirt. If you like my video, you can like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.